The National Universities Commission is partnering with the Commonwealth of Learning to develop a National Micro-Credential Framework aimed at boosting skills development, employability, and lifelong learning in Nigeria. Speaking at the two-day stakeholders workshop in Abuja, the Executive Secretary of NUC, Professor Abdullahi Ribadu, said, higher education reform must align with labor market realities and rapid technological changes. Represented by the Commission's Director of Research, Innovation and Information Technology, Malam Lawal Faruk, the NUC board said the framework would complement existing degree programs by creating flexible pathways for upskilling and reskilling within the higher education system.
In Nigeria, the introduction of micro-credentials must be carefully guided to ensure alignment with national policy on education, coherence with existing qualification structures, and consistency with the regulatory oversight responsibilities of the NUC. Micro-credentials are therefore not envisaged as a placement for degree programs, but as flexible learning pathways that can enhance access, support skills development, and strengthen the linkage between higher education and the world of work.
In her remarks, the Director of Open and E-Learning, Dr. Funmilayo Morebise, said Nigeria cannot afford to tag behind in adopting micro-credentials for workforce development.
Identify key regulatory, quality assurance, credit transfer, and recognition consideration for micro-credential in Nigeria to develop a draft national micro-credential framework suitable for implementation by Nigerian universities and other approved higher institution education providers.
The workshop is expected to produce a draft national micro-credential framework and strengthen collaboration among regulators, institutions, industry, and international partners. CNN News.